good contact.
Yeah, sometimes when you hit it like that, Martin, it can creep into the corner. Not that time.
The ball came to be wide. That's a good position to be where it's a poor cross. Opposition got the ball back. Got in the way well, the defender. Good ball. And the defenders read the play. Now a throw in. They are putting their bodies on the line. The defending team here, and that's it, out of play, off the play. That will be a goal kick. A piece of blocking. Good play together. It's come back off the post. They're on the ball, but now they've lost it. Possession given away once more. A decent challenge by the opponent. Great interception. It's giving the ball to the opposition. Pesky. Cleared it well. Knocked it away. But there's no real respite here. Terrific tackle. Alex. Great ball. What a pity for the attacking team. He gambled in the direction of that pass and cut it out. Good ball. The ball deflected behind, that's clearly a corner. Here's a shot. Somehow he saved it. That's clearly a corner. That wasn't very well worked, the throw. They've lost possession. And it's an offside call from the assistant. Tight one. But he's been very good in this game, I must say.
Yeah, he has. You just want your striker to delay that one. He is pretty quick. He can afford to give the defender another yard.
The referee's awarded this free kick. Now it's the Galaxy in possession. Something could be on here. The player working hard to stay in possession. And it's a good tackle as they're trying to get down the outside. Probably just about on the edge of the range from which he can expect to score. It goes against him. the shot's on. Goalkeeper protected by his outfield player then. Quick ball. And the defender's on top. This is going to be a throw. Have to work on that in the training ground. They've thrown the ball away. Alex. Really clean dispossessing of the opponent there. Alex. Pesky. Cut it out well. Terrific vision. Well, stopped him getting down the touchline with that tackle out in the ring. Nothing to separate the two teams as the whistle goes for half time. They played really well, one of the sides here, but they've got no reward for it.
No, all eyes on the strikers because the rest of the team has done their job in terms of creating chances, just can't take them.
There's a human.
So here we go with the second half. Alex. A poor tackle, but it hasn't done any harm, and they've still got the ball despite the challenge on them. It's still going. The offside stops the play. That brings up referee blue. Well, he's cleared the danger. Cleared, but only partly cleared. He's going to come back at them. Now it's the Galaxy in possession. Helps from his teammate here, who's fastened onto that header. It's a good tackle. He's in the clear. Great attacking play with the passing here. It could have been a really awkward moment because it was a quick counter-attack. But the opposition now have sorted it out and they're back on the ball. Anticipation leading to the interception there. He's put him in here. Seen the chance. Either side he might have scored, but he put it straight at the keeper. Oh, it has to be. And he lets fly here. Oh, the break was on, and the breakaway has broken down. Climbed well to head it to the supporting assistant that's raised the flag for offside.
Is this a cup?
They tried to keep it, but they haven't been able to do that. Alex. Turnover of possession here. The goalkeeper is there for him, and he's played it to him. he's got such confidence with the ball at his feet, Alan.
He is, and you always fancy him to beat his man, and once he's done that, they're in a great position. So.
The referee has acknowledged the flag from his assistant and given the offside. Just have a check on what we've seen in terms of offside. Now it's the Galaxy in possession. He's in at goal. Tries his luck. He hasn't dealt with the danger totally. And that will be a throw. Pesky. Unlucky. That's not what he was trying to do. It's gone out of play. To stop the pass, break up the attack and change possession. The chance to attack from the throw. Now it's the Galaxy in possession. Referee sorting out in his own mind what he's going to do. Well to intercept. And the goalkeeper comes out on top in the one-on-one situation.
Well, that gives your defenders so much confidence when you've got a keeper of that stature in goal. One of those performances, Martin, that only comes along a couple of times in every season, I think, for the goalkeeper, because every move he makes the right one. The ball is just a magnet to him.
Great opportunity.
And that should be a free kick referee passive.
Alex.
Every bloody referee I had that happened to me. He doesn't give a free kick.
There's still nothing between these two teams. They've given us a great contest here. That was very brave defending. There's only
We need to win
minutes
this.
to
This
go.
is a league match.
Good pass. Oh, that's a wonderful ball. Can they finish it? Good defending here to get the ball away from the danger area. 2 minutes left. That's added time.
Double bit. It's a lead. Yeah. Oh my god, this is fascinating. What about now? Power's fascinating. No, it don't matter anyway.
The goalkeeper.
Don't matter,
So
man.
there we are. Nothing to separate these two sides at the end of this contest.
Oh.
When you look at the shots on goal, you would think there would be one outright winner here.
You've got
But
my match.
not be the case. The game finished level.
Want to forget for a long
Come on,
time.
lads, let me look.
Shooting practice, maybe, Monday morning.
No.
Well, it's been a truly wonderful